Dabber Cats, give it up for squad members JR Corre on bass and AJ Escada on drums with Traffic Diva Aisel Santos, the EB Babes, Francis Reyes.
Thank you very much, guys. At tuloy-tuloy ang paghaharap ng mga musikerong totoo dito sa semi-final round ng Music Hero.
Hatid sa inyo ng O Plus Ultra 3.0. Make every shot ultra perfect. Makakasama pa rin ni Francis para pumili ng panalong hero. Sina Shamrock, vocalist Mark Tupaz, and Dabber Cats Ryan.
Ngayong araw, magkakaroon na kaya, Pia, ng second female squad member? Is today the day? Or will another wild card semifinalist advance to the next round?
Why not? Our second wild card contestant to make it to the semifinals. Eto na po ang mga heroes na maglalaban for today.
These are your Violin Hero semi-finalists. Two will go head-to-head to secure another spot to the Music Hero squad. It's a music battle between Dominic Casaco, 18-year-old violin hero from Santa Rosa, Laguna, versus John Cagapi, 16-year-old violin hero from Quezon City. Who will join Gino and Miles to the next round? Get ready for another exciting...
What a jam! Nakakahawa naman ang energy nitong dalawang to.
Hindi lang violinista, dancer pa.
Thank you very much, Dominic and John.
Ngayon, pakinggan natin ang ating mga judges. Mark, let's start with you.
Wow. Alam nyo, sinabi ni Ryan kahapon sa akin, napakahirap mag-judge dito sa Music Hero. Ito talaga nararamdaman ko. You know, silang dalawa, they have two different styles of playing. Si Dominic, na-appreciate ko yung nag-vibrato note, parang kumakanta yung violin niya. Kay John naman, yung technique niya, yung mga nag-octave siya, nag-iiba-iba siya ng sounds. So, two different techniques. Grabe. As in, it's very, very difficult for us to judge this one. Pero, congrats sa mananalo.
Let's hear from Ryan.
Pwede ba ang judging na lang, pagalingan na lang sumayaw?
Yung nga eh.
Pwede rin eh.
So because, you know, at this late stage sa ating contest, ano na talaga lalo na si John, bumalik na siya as a wildcard contestant. Yung technical, medyo kung bubusisiin mo, kung tututuhanin mo yung pagbusisi, baka kailangan ng playback di ba? Kung iisa-isa mo. But I guess it's down to how you entertain us and how well you convey your message. Pero ako, ito yung sa akin, yung narinig ko sa inyong dalawa this afternoon, new-ish songs. Di ba? At least the past decade, yung mga tinugtog yung kanta. Si Francis is, nakikinig ako sa programa mo sa radyo when it was still around, when you would really push for new talent. And although you had very good musicians on board, you would challenge them Meron ka bang gustong konting pan-testing lang sa ating mga contestants for today?
Yeah, these kids are so young
Nakakagulat, no?
Nakakagulat
Bata rin tayo
Di pa kayo pinapanganak, musikero na ako, so I feel, But it would be nice siguro if we could hear these young musicians play something older than they are. So, you know, an old song, new rendition. We start with John.
Si John muna.
Go ahead, Francis. What's your request?
Anong may ano ka ba?
Anything in particular?
Close to You.
Yeah.
Close to You, Carpenters?
Close to You. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, John.
Aba? May twist din.
Ginawa ng reggae beat,
Iba.
Francis. That's at least...
reggae na malandi
Oo.
That's
Yung
at
landi
least
na
20
galing
years
sa kanya
older.
Galing.
Naramdaman ni Sir yung landi daw.
Yeah.
Wala na sa papel yun eh, no? Nandun na
Wala.
Pakiramdam na yun.
Nasa feel niya eh.
Nasa feel na.
Like what you said, si Dominic is, yung violin mahirap eh, yung sense of intonation is hard to achieve. Eh. Si Dominic, in my opinion, has it done. But malakas yung feel ni John eh. And yung feel is also very important when you're a musician. And obviously, showman ka. Okay yung ano eh. Now for Dominic, the challenge is I started a joke.
I started a joke.
BG!
Parang mas matanda sa ating lahat yung kantang yun.
Pero naging punk.
Millennial arreglo.
Millennial stamp on it. Well done.
you.
Well done to our 2 semifinalists for taking up the challenge. Salamat, judges. It's time to choose your hero for today.
At bukas, sina Electric Guitar Heroes Fender Di Malanta from Pasig City at Chris Marlampos from Caloocan City ang maglalaban para maging next Music Hero Squad member. Huwag niyong palalampasiyan mga Dabargads.
Sagot pa namin ang mga sorpresang magpapahappy sa lahat ng Dabargads. Lahat yan sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga!